System errors causing the program. 32. Common OpenGL Extension Wrangler. 32. DLL crashes in OpenGL Extension Wrangler GLEW. Shim? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. To begin the walkthrough for Program 32, Common OpenGL Extension Wrangler 32, you can choose the manual path or use a resource designed for environment stability. This is the Program 32 Common OpenGL Extension Wrangler 32, a non-standard naming convention for the OpenGL Extension Wrangler GLEW library found in localized wrappers. It manages the redirected OpenGL extension calls. If missing, graphics-heavy apps will fail to initialize their 3D context, reporting graphic driver mismatch. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. The file program 32, Common OpenGL Extension Wrangler 32 DLL is required for OpenGL Extension Wrangler GLEW. Shim to properly initialize and a full reinstallation of the application. Encountering the error will fix the issue by restoring all unique third-party dependencies. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Program 32 Common OpenGL Extension Wrangler 32 component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Replacing Program 32, Common OpenGL Extension Wrangler 32, without a proper diagnostic environment can lead to DLL hell, where multiple conflicting versions of the library paralyze your operating system's ability to load software. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. The link in the description references a professional diagnostic scan resource associated with Program 32, Common OpenGL Extension Wrangler 32, and PC Health. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for Program 32, Common OpenGL Extension Wrangler 32, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.